In this video, I will show you how to make a member a moderator on the Discord server for mobile version. First, open your Discord app. From there, you want to tap on the server you want to make a new role for the moderator. Tap on the top where the server name is. Now a menu will pop up. Tap on the gear icon. Scroll all the way down until you see the option Role. Tap on it and the server role menu will show. Tap on the plus button at the top right corner. Create a new name for your role. In my case, I use Test Mod as the name. Then, select a color of your choice and tap on Save. Tap on the Create button. Next up, you can select what type of role you want to create. To make things easier, we will be using the Moderator role that has all the presets that come with being a moderator. You will be prompted to add members, but we will skip this step for now. Go to the Permissions tab by tapping on the new role. Here you can see what permissions your moderator has. If you want to add or remove permissions, you can do so here. For example, I want to give the moderator the option to manage channels. Tap on the button to enable the setting. You can toggle it on and off by tapping on it again. Once you are satisfied with the permissions, go ahead and save it. Now tap on Members to start adding your moderators. For this example, I will add myself by checking the box. You are welcome to add additional members. Once done, tap on the Add button. Go back and you will see that one member has been added. Tap on Save. That is it. To remove the new role, tap on the new mod role you created and tap on Delete Role button. Confirm by tapping on the Remove button, and that role will be deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching.